Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going deep on AI agents.
AI agents sounds pretty futuristic.
It is, kinda, but also more accessible than you might think, especially with platforms like CrewAI. Ever heard of it?
CrewAI rings a bell. Vaguely. Refresh my memory.
Basically, it's all about building and managing these AI agents, right? Think of them as like little computer programs that can do stuff on their own.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So what can these AI agents actually do?
Oh, all sorts. Like imagine automating those boring, repetitive tasks, data entry, scheduling appointments, generating reports, things businesses deal with all the time.
Okay, that makes sense. But how does CrewAI fit in?
Well, think of CrewAI as a platform, a workshop, where you can actually build these AI agents, even if you're not a coding expert.
Hold on, even without coding, I'm listening.
Yeah, they've got this really cool visual UI studio, so you can like drag and drop actions, set goals for your agents, basically create entire workflows.
That's pretty neat. And these agents, they work individually or...
Ah, that's where it gets really interesting. They can work solo or team up in these multi-agent systems. That's when they can tackle much more complex stuff.
Like what? Give me an example.
Well, picture this. You're running an online store, right? You could have one AI agent handling customer inquiries, another processing orders, another managing inventory, all working together seamlessly.
So it's like having a whole team of virtual employees.
Exactly. And because they're all AI, they can work 24/7, no breaks, no complaints. Pretty efficient, right?
I'm starting to see the potential here, but what about, handing over all this sensitive business data to AI? Is that safe?
Totally get that concern. But that's actually one of the things I like about CrewAI. You've got options. You can run your agents in the cloud, on your own servers, even locally on your computer. So you're in control of your data.
Okay, that's reassuring, but how do you actually know if these agents are, like, doing a good job?
Good question. CrewAI has tools to monitor and tweak your agent's performance. It's not just setting them loose and hoping for the best. You can see how they're doing, refine their actions, and help them learn over time.
So it's a continuous improvement kind of thing.
Precisely. And from what I've read, users are loving it. TrueAI has a pretty impressive rating online, like 4.7 out of 5 stars.
Wow, that's high. So who's using this? Is it just for big tech companies or AI
Yeah,
specialists?
it's actually designed for a pretty wide range of folks. Developers, sure, but also business analysts, managers, researchers, anyone who wants to automate complex processes and streamline their work.
Sounds like it could be useful across a lot of different industries.
Absolutely. And speaking of learning more, did you know CrewAI has some great resources on their website? They even have this really cool video, a step-by-step walkthrough of building a real-world AI agent.
Oh, that sounds helpful. Like a practical example to see how it all works in action.
Yeah, it really demystifies the whole process. And it's amazing to see how much people are already achieving with multi-agent systems. It's like this whole new frontier of problem solving is opening up.
Right. It's mind-blowing when you think about the potential.
And if you're really curious about all the different AI agents out there and maybe want some inspiration for your own projects, you should check out AIagentstore.ai. It's like an app store, but for AI agents.
Seriously, an app store for AI agents. That's pretty cool.
Right. So to wrap this all up, I have one question for our listeners. What problem in your life or your work could be solved, or at least improved, with a custom-built multi-agent AI system? Think about it. It's a pretty exciting time to be exploring this tech.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
Until next time, keep on diving.